In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Monopoly Go game on your iPhone. To download Monopoly Go on your preferred mobile device, open up your App Store or your Play Store. If you are doing this on your iPhone, simply open up your App Store and go to the search box and type in Monopoly Go and search. Once you find the application that looks like this, tap on the Get button to begin the download process. Now, wait for the application to be downloaded, which will only take a few minutes. But make sure to be connected to a stable internet. Once the download is completed, you'll be able to see the Open button. Tap on Open to launch Open Monopoly Go on your iPhone. Tap on I agree in the first interface and get started. That is how you should be able to download Monopoly Go on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.